Welcome to my unboxing video of the RAVpower. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger. It has quick charging 3.0, so for example with my Galaxy S8 it should be able to charge it really quickly. It comes in a very slim box. My last power banks have been quite thicker than this one, so I'm interested to see how thin this actually is, because it is advertised as an ultra slim power bank. So let's go ahead and open it. I have had RAV products before and they have been of high quality, just like the Anchor brand. They normally come with a pouch. So this is the power bank itself. It's like a smooth plastic with rounded edges. It has one charging port at the top, one port to charge it itself. It's micro USB, this one, not USB-C. And it has 4 LEDs to show the power of it. Also, you get in the box a grey pouch. So you can put your power bank in the big one and then cables in there. That's quite handy. A standard micro USB cable. I have loads of these, so I won't be needing that. This is just a small instruction manual. So its input can do 5 volt 2 amps, 9 volt 2 amps, 12 volts or 1.5 amps. And it can do a faster iSmart at 2.4 amp. So you can charge it with fast charging as well. And when it outputs, it can also do 2.4 amps max. And it only weighs 210 grams. It's really light. It has fast charging, 10,000 milliamp hours, so you could probably get about 2 chargers in on an S8. Yeah, so you get the power bank, you get a carrying bag and a charger. It's pretty high quality. It's probably not as good as Anchor ones, but it is probably a bit cheaper than them, so it's good as I expect, and it has fast charging. I like the fact that it's slim, because I do have a lot of chargers and most of them are a lot fatter. For example, this is a 20,000 milliamp hour one that I have, and as you can see, it's huge compared to it. So this is much more practical on a day-to-day basis rather than this. I'd probably just keep this for long journeys or for using at home where I don't have a power plug next to me. It's much more portable than that. You could put it in your pocket, whereas I'll probably have to have that in a bag. Yeah, so for a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, this is perfect for my needs. It has fast charging, it's portable, light, and it comes with a carry pouch as well. I hope that is everything, and thank you for watching.